Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and I've got a little unboxing to do. Now, I ordered this stuff, so I know it's not yarn. Just trying to think. Oh look, I've brought my knife in ready, but there's a way in the box. Well, hopefully there is. That seemed a bit too easy, didn't it? It did, didn't it? It's not really... Okay, fine open. One side is, not the other. Okay, not really working out. Let's just rip the box open. So this is stuff that I've ordered, and wow, whoa, lots of stuff in here. But I don't know if it's all different or all the same, because I did order quite a lot of the one thing. So I've got lots of new stickers. Now these are the stickers that I put on people's orders from Hobby Rocks. So these are my Hobby Rock stickers. I did have some in the early days and I lost them, so I ordered more, and I ran out very quickly. I always thought I had lots and lots, but I didn't. So I've ordered two quite big packs, so hopefully they'll last me for a little while. But this is my very first piece of merchandise, and here it is. Look at that. Now it says Crochet Rocks because it is Crochet Rocks merchandise, and this is one of those things. My very first ever piece of merchandise is one of those things you put around your can, and so a can cozy, you know, so you put your can in and it says Crochet Rocks. Isn't that cool? My very first ever. It's got my logo of my little dinosaur sitting there crocheting, and how cute is that? Crochet Rocks very first piece of merch. Wow. It's just a shame I don't have a can to demonstrate it. Or do I? Now, as luck would have it, in the fridge was one can. So there we go. No more cold, wet hands, and it keeps it cool. So how cool is that? And just colour coordinated can. How about that? Like I planned it. I didn't plan it. So those, I don't have a merch shelf, so they will appear in my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, which is my one-stop shop for all things yarny and puzzles and everything. So I did order one or two, like loads. I think I was thinking, you know, the more you order, the better the cost to me. So yeah, I ordered a fair few. There's a box of them, but that's my first piece of Crochet Rocks merchandise, because people have been asking me for years, have you got any merch? Why don't you do merch? So I will look into it one day about getting a merch shelf. But you know, if you do that, you have to go through one of those companies. You can't just load it with your own merchandise and sell it, which is a bit of a nuisance. So you have to go through one of those kind of Teesprings or something like that. And I don't know what I'm doing with it. So yeah, I haven't done... Gary's having a smashing time in the kitchen. So yeah, I haven't ever sussed that out. But one of these days, maybe I will. But for now, this little piece of merch, my very first one, will appear in my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. I mean, I don't know. People actually want the stickers. I could sell the stickers, but I don't think it's a good idea. I'll run out too quick. But yeah, we'll get more as time goes by. But I had a voucher code. So I thought, well, rather than let the voucher code go, I'll use it. I need stickers anyway. So let's see and start building up a little bit of merch slowly. And so that's what I did. Well, how about that? I'm kind of I'm very excited. It's really cold already to touch, but the beauty of it is my hands are not getting cold and wet. They're keeping the can cool. And I thought white would look better with this design because it's pink. Hey, check me out, I have merch. So yeah, I did a little video today, a kind of update on the internet situation. There's still no progress with it at all, but at least I know I'm not the only one, that all my neighbours are affected as well, and you know, because of that, hopefully it will get fixed sooner. If it only affects a couple of people, then they can just kind of, you know, keep you waiting a bit longer. So hopefully with it affecting so many people, that just means it'll get sorted out so much quicker than before. So I don't know when I'll be able to upload these. Didn't buy anything else, did I? It's just a box of these. I think so. I don't think I've got anything else. Just this, lots and lots of stickers. I love my stickers. I designed those. This was designed for me, this logo, by a girl called Chloe. And she was Gary's son's girlfriend at the time. So Jamie's girlfriend, Chloe, designed... I told her what I wanted. She was very, very good at drawing dinosaurs. She was amazing and very artistic when it came. And her favourite thing was dinosaurs. So I figured, you know, as my son always thinks I'm a dinosaur, the good logo for me would be a dinosaur or a dragon crocheting on a rocking chair, and then I wanted it to look like the words were made from yarn, so that's what she did. Very clever. So yeah, that's Chloe's artwork, bless her heart. So yeah, I have no idea when I'll be able to upload them because of the internet situation. I can upload videos very, very slowly, or I can go out and do them. So how have I been spending my time? Well, it takes me a hell of a lot longer to do a video than it normally would because of the situation. But I've been making some placemats and doing some tutorials. I'm halfway through filming one, and Gary came home from work. So I'm hoping that when I pick it up again, it's a seamless transition. It might just be that it's dark later on, and so the lighting will be slightly different unless I do it tomorrow. But I'm hoping, because I've done this before where I've had a break and gone back to it, and then suddenly the second part of the video wants to be upside down. Well, I'm just hoping that nothing like that happens, because if it does, I've got to scrub it and start again. But fingers crossed that won't happen. So that's what I've been doing with my time. Crocheting and making tutorials, the things I used to do before I started doing a vlog. So it just takes longer to upload any videos. I would have gone and done another out and about video, because when this whole thing started, Gary and I went out for an early morning walk along the beach, and that was nice, but it was a lovely day. There was a bit of a sea breeze, didn't come out too badly on the video, which if you want to see that, you'll find it on Rocksteady, my other channel, and there's a link underneath the video to it. So yeah, I can do those sort of things, but since then it's either been much more windy or like today, no sunshine at all. So not been able to get out and about and do any of those, but I will do some more. In fact, yesterday I could have done, but I was busy with other things. So yeah, that's what I've been doing with my time. I'm still here. I've not fallen off the cliff or anything. Just the internet fell off the cliff. No, actually it was a fire, so fingers crossed it'll be back before the 26th, because that's a long way off and it's annoying. But the worst part of it is the things I usually watch, I can't watch. So I'm looking at the TV. We have hundreds of channels with Sky, and there's never anything on that you want to watch, or you can't, you know, go back to the start because you haven't got the streaming, so you can't do that, and so you've got to get right when it's starting to watch it. It's just a bit of a pain. That's I'd say one of the worst things about it is feeling so much at a loose end. Really thirsty. I'm tempted to crack open that can. but it's Gary's and he might need it. So anyway, I'm going to get off, upload this video. Let me know what you think of my very, very first piece of merch. Look at that. And I'll show you the stickers if you haven't been lucky enough to get one in your order. This is what they look like. They say Hobby Rocks, and it's actually just the centre part. I always feel it's quite sad that this bit here is wasted, but it's just a rainbow with a hole. Maybe I should use the rainbows with holes. I don't know, for something. Cool, huh? Anyway, didn't order much, but it cost enough. So if you want one of these, I'll be uploading them as soon as I can. That went the other way. As soon as I can get onto my website. Thank you for watching, and fingers crossed everything will be back to normal soon. Bye for now.